Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean workspace and the right tools. Grab a small Phillips, pry tool, cotton swabs, 90% plus isopropyl, and compressed air. First, power the mouse down and remove batteries or unplug the cable so you can work safely. Then test the wheel on another USB port or computer to rule out software. Once done, blow compressed air into the gap and wipe the exterior. This removes most surface debris and tells you if deeper disassembly is required. You'll now open the mouse carefully. Flip it over, remove screws, often hidden under pads or stickers, and keep them organized. Pry the shell with a plastic tool, noting where cables and clips sit so you can reattach later. Once inside, locate the scroll wheel and encoder. Rotate the wheel while blowing compressed air and swabbing the encoder contacts with isopropyl to dissolve grease and dust. Make sure to clean the wheel shaft and any felt pads. If a spring or retainer is loose, reseat it before reassembly. You're ready to reassemble. Align the shell, clip cables back, and tighten screws in their original order so nothing binds the wheel. Plug the mouse back in or reinsert batteries and test the scroll in a driver-free context, like a plain text document, to confirm mechanical action. If motion is intermittent, update firmware/drivers and try another USB port. If the problem persists, replace the encoder or the scroll module. Troubleshooting tip: if the scroll skips only in one app, check that app's.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.